Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Muhammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a Christmas card, greeting card cover. As you can see, the round and bells. For that we need strips, the outsider coiled 150 mm strip, green and red 297 mm strip, that petal 297 mm green strip, and the bells and that round were 297 mm strip, cooling tool, glue, round dia, compass, ruler. So let's get started friends. To first make the stuff that we require. We have to make the round from outside first. Make the tight roll. With the 150 mm strip, as you can see. Now time to make the green and red, the same stuff we need. Same round dia, because the red one I have to use the for bell. Same strategy, same style, round dia. Now time to make the petal. Put in the 20 mm round dia. Press from both sides and we have to make the opposite side. Now the red one we have to make the petal. Glue and one pencil you can take to make the shape of petal, bell, sorry, that you can make a bell shape. So for that we need 16 red and 16 green, 3 green round dia, round coiled, and 2 bells and 2 petals. So the round, that the radius of round, I have to take the 25 mm. Let me show you. I will show you the next part that you can see. 25 mm. So friends, let's get started to make the greeting card cover.